Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo IdeaCentre Tower desktop computer, a machine designed for everyday productivity and home use. This particular configuration comes packed with some solid components that make it a compelling option for anyone needing a reliable desktop. At its heart is the 14th generation Intel Core i5-14400 processor. This is a capable 10-core CPU that runs at a base speed of 2.50 GHz and can turbo boost up to 4.70 GHz. What does that mean for you? It means this desktop can handle your daily tasks with ease, whether you're browsing the web, working on documents, streaming videos, or juggling multiple applications at once. It provides plenty of power for typical home and office workloads. Complementing the processor is 16 GB of DDR5 memory running at 4,800 MHz. Having 16 GB of the newer DDR5 standard is excellent for multitasking. You can have numerous browser tabs open, run different programs simultaneously, and the system should remain responsive and smooth. This amount of RAM is more than sufficient for most users' needs today. For storage, this IdeaCentre Tower features a 1 TB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. This is fantastic. SSDs, especially NVMe ones, are significantly faster than traditional hard drives. You'll experience rapid boot times, quick application launches, and speedy file transfers. A full terabyte of storage is also quite generous, providing ample space for your operating system, software, documents, photos, and videos. Now let's talk graphics. This model uses the integrated Intel UHD Graphics 730. It's important to understand what this means. Integrated graphics share system memory and are built into the CPU. The UHD 730 is perfectly capable of handling standard desktop tasks, displaying high-resolution video, and running less demanding applications. However, it is not designed for serious gaming or professional creative work like heavy video editing or 3D rendering. If you need a machine for those tasks, you would typically look for a desktop with a dedicated graphics card. But for general use, media consumption, and light productivity, the UHD 730 does the job. Connectivity is well covered. You get Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest standard offering faster speeds and less interference if you have a compatible router. There's also Bluetooth 5.3 for connecting wireless peripherals and a standard gigabit Ethernet port for wired networking. Looking at the ports, Lenovo has included a good mix. You have HDMI 2.1 and even a VGA port, which is useful if you still have an older monitor. There are plenty of USB ports for slower 480 megabits per second USB-A ports, 2 faster 5 gigabits per second USB-A ports, and a convenient 5 gigabits per second USB-C port. Audio is handled with a headphone mic combo jack and a separate audio out. It also includes a DVD-RW optical drive, which is becoming less common but can be handy for reading or writing CDs and DVDs. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, providing a modern and familiar operating system experience. It also includes a basic USB keyboard and mouse to get you started right out of the box. The tower itself is finished in a clean cloud gray color. One thing to note is the warranty. It comes with a 2-year warranty provided by Techno Intelligence, along with free tech support. It's good to have that coverage for 2 years. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaCentre Tower with the i5-14400, 16 GB DDR5, and 1 TB NVMe SSD appears to be a very solid, well-rounded desktop computer for general home and office use. It offers modern performance for everyday tasks, fast storage, good connectivity, and a decent selection of ports, all in a standard tower form factor. It's a machine built for reliability and getting things done without fuss.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.